Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and today we are making stuffed Sloppy Joe rolls. And what you'll need to do this recipe is ground beef, a 15-ounce can of Sloppy Joe mix. This is Manwich. We'll need 8 slices of cheese, and then your 8-biscuit can of canned biscuits, and I got the sweet Hawaiian biscuits here. Give them a try. I haven't had those before, so this is kind of like a taste test too. This is really good with the regular biscuits they have. So we're going to get this thing going, and first thing we're going to do is brown the ground beef and everything, so you'll see that this proceeds pretty quickly. Alright, well, we'll see you in just a minute. Okay guys, first step we're going to do is ground the ground beef here. What you want to do is we'll put that in here, put ground beef in there, and what you want to do is break up this ground beef up, and you're going to let it brown. So it'll take a few minutes for this to do, but you just want to get your meat all broken up here, and you know, there ain't, I know I've always liked Sloppy Joes since I was a little kid, so if you got kids, this would be a really good recipe. If you don't, it'll still be good. I don't know anybody that doesn't really like Manwich. We'll just get your meat all broken up in here. And then flip it over to get it brown on all sides. Just continue to break it up as you go along. Alright guys, I'm going to let this brown and continue stirring it and everything, but that's just what you do. You just get it all broken up and kind of let it sit for a little bit after you get it brown. So we're going to let it sit here for a little bit, get brown. When it gets cooked here in a few minutes, I'll be right back with you. Okay guys, we got this all brown, so you see it's nice brown, looks good. So the next step we're going to do, this is to help you with the fat. So you want to just take this out. Be very, very careful with this step, and just pour your ground beef in this here and let the grease drain off. I got a little pail here, that bucket that works good. So you want to take your grease, don't put it down your sink because that'll plug your sink up. But you just want to drain off your grease, and so then you want to put your meat back in the pan, in your frying pan. It'll drain all the grease and nasty stuff off. Then you want to take a can of Sloppy Joe sauce, Manwich. Pour it in here. This all scraped off here. get it all mixed in there. I'll turn it down. Get that Sloppy Joe sauce mixed all in there. Alright, well, let me get set up for the next part here. I'm going to let this meat cool for a little bit so it'll be a little bit easier to work with. Alright guys, we'll see you here shortly. Okay guys, now we got into a little bit of the fun part. I got the bacon sheet. I'm going to sit over here. See if we can get it where you can see it a little bit better. Then we got our Sloppy Joe mix handy here. And I got half a cup scoop. This may be a little bit too big for the middle, but probably about a third of a cup would be actually be better, but I don't have a third of a cup scoop, so but what we're going to want to do, we'll go ahead and open up this cheese pack, which I probably should have done beforehand. And so what we'll do, all your parts open up here, but first thing you want to do is get your can biscuits open. It says press with a spoon, but we'll get those open up here. Yep. And I already cleaned it. I just cleaned this off, so we're all good here. What you want to do is take your biscuits and get my rolling pin out and make this a little bit better. But you're going to want to put your flour out on the thing to help it from sticking. And we're going to want to put a little bit on the rolling pin here. And the next thing you want to do is put your biscuit down and you want to roll this out. You want to make it about 6 inches. Roll it flat to about 6 inches, because anything longer than that, this won't work for what we need it to do. I'm trying to get it all good and flat here. Alright, so you see, I'll put a little bit more on here. Get it all rolled out there. Yep. Alright, you want to just take your scoop, maybe not get it all the way to the top, but you want to put your meat mix in the middle. Then you take your cheese, break it in half. I found doing it this way makes it better. And just kind of want to fold it over like so and press down on the sides. Like so. And you can just fold them over like this. And more. And while we're doing this, I got the oven preheating at 350. So we're going to do another one. So, and then I'll just out here. We'll see if I can do this one a little bit quicker here. You just get it all rolled out. And you get better at this as time goes on. I've already made this recipe a couple of times, and it always takes a little while to get started out. And this is figured this is the easiest way of getting it going. I'll just get them all rolled out here. Yep. Alright, there we go. So we'll get our meat mixture, not all the way, but you know, this about a third of a cup will actually work better than a half cup, but it's still half cup will do, just a little bit short of a half cup. Again, just put on your cheese like so. Then you're going to want to pull it over, squash the sides down, seam it together, and I just fold the flaps over again, and that gives you a nice round roll look. And we'll put those on the baking pan. So as you see, there they are. We got 2 of them. I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of these 8, and I'll see you in a little bit. Okay guys, I'm all done. I'm getting ready to put it in the oven. While I was doing this, I had the oven preheating to 350. That gives you enough time for it to preheat. So as you see, I got 8 Sloppy Joe rolls with the folding in half and flipping the sides over. Makes some incredible rolls. So we're going to put this in for 16 to 20 minutes, and if you'd like, you can put some water on the top and put sesame seed buns on, or sesame seeds on the top. Now make a little nice presentation too, especially if you're doing this at a party. So let's go ahead and put these in. Okay, and the oven is at 350. I'm going to put it in for about 16-20 minutes. So I'll see you here in about 20 minutes or so. Okay guys, it is all done. Let me take a little piece here. Oh yeah, they're good. Let me get that off here. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and take these out and take a look at them. Oh my gosh, one busted, a couple of them busted open. Alright, well here we go. See, I had a couple bust open, but they still look good. So we're gonna probably stuff them a little bit too full, but about a third a cup of it. So let me let these things cool, and we'll be right back. Okay guys, here we go. We got these things cooled off. They look so good. I already lifted them up a little bit here, but so you see, it kind of busted a seam on a few of them, but here's one of them. And go ahead and you can just put it on the plate like that. Put your fries or anything else that you want to have for a side. So let's give this a try here and see how it goes. Oh, this is good. I'm glad I went with the the sweet Hawaiian. It's got that nice sweet taste to it. The regular biscuit dough is good too. just got to remember to get about 6 flat, and you want about 1/3 of a cup. So I don't have 1/3 of a cup. I used a 1/2 cup and tried to do a little bit less than that, so it wasn't exact. So it's part of the reason why I had the busted seams on these, but it turned out really good, tastes good. Take time to comment below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, take time to subscribe to my channel. I do cooking shows like this on Saturdays, and I also do some taste test videos. There's sort of one right here, which is the sweet wine. It's the first time I've had it, and it's done a really good job with this recipe. So also I do sightseeing and adventure videos. So subscribe, watch my other videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Man, I just love the flavor of these.